Hello, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Garmin X-Tint 2X Solar to your phone. So, first you need to download the Garmin Connect app from your Play Store or the iOS Store if you are using the iPhone, and then you need to make sure that your Bluetooth is on. After that, you just open the Garmin Connect app and press this plus button in the top right corner. As you can see, the app already found my Garmin, so right now you just need to press connect it and allow to manage your Solar Instinct 2X. As you can see, it already did, so we are clicking next, and now the app is going to ask you some questions to set this as you want it to be. You're gonna keep the default goals and synchronize the Garmin with your phone. Oh, we got some problem, so we are just going to press retry and sync now. Oh, again, so again retry. As you can see, the synchronizing went well, so we just need to click finish. We're gonna skip these simple actions, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If it helped, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. Bye.